Oh my god, guys. Just sitting here, like here. I'm just sitting here, like, watching them videos, watching my little brother. And get a video like, why don't you do that? When I suddenly see this, the aquarium, you know, aquarium and pump. I'm going to help my first fish. I already had a cat, and it came with me a few days ago. So I have the vaccine a few days ago. Now I know that, and so good. I feel good now. And I am going fish. Luckily, I don't have a gut now. It will eat the fish. Oh no! No, look at my cousins. Look at my cousins' fish. They usually have 4, but the bunso is died. He died. And yeah, it's 2 left because the third, I don't know what is it, bunso or the mommy or the grand or an adult. Let me see. Nona, pakita ko na nga isda mo. Please. Pakita ko, meron na ako isda, pero mas malaki pang tank. Pero mo ng ng mga accessory, ng mga plants. Pero, pwede please. Order ka sa Shopee. Sige, sabi ko sa mami ko sa Shopee. Pero na lang, bibigay ko ulit.
Yung ano kulay?
Kahit ano. Lahat na lang, bibigay ko lahat bukas. Ay, hindi pala. Hanggang mamamatay yung isda. Hanggang mamatay.
Bigay mo kaya.
Kaigan ka na? Oo, wala pa. Joke lang. Mabibili pa ako. Ayun, ay lang naka-video ako. Naka-video, binabidyoin ko na. Sa cellphone ng mami ko. So, this is my home. This is my cousin.
At ako naman si Mini Notebook. Alam ko yun.
And this is my blanket. I love this blanket. So, bye!
Tapos sasabihin niya, wala din sa